Germany is a large country and offers a lot to see. Therefore, I decided to show you around German cities that are said to be worth visiting. Hit the subscribe button to join me on this journey and tell me which of these cities you would like to visit in real life. And this time, we are going to travel to Koblenz, a city in Rhineland-Palatinate. The city of Koblenz is one of the most ancient German cities and has been an important economic and defensive center for centuries. Its strategic value arises from the city's location, as Koblenz is situated at the confluence of the two of Europe's most important rivers, the Rhine and the Mosel. This strategic importance was first recognized by Roman troops that established fortifications and military posts around the city, and during the Middle Ages, Koblenz had a central role in controlling the trade on the Rhine as well as the Mosel River. The place where the Rhine and Mosel rivers join has gained special importance during the 13th century, when the Order of Teutonic Knights settled here. Ever since, this headland has been called Deutsches Eck, which is translated as the German Corner. Today, the German Corner is famously known for the huge equestrian statue of Emperor William I that was originally inaugurated in August 1897 in gratitude for the unification of Germany. However, the original statue was destroyed during the Second World War and reinstalled first in 1993 after the German reunification in 1990. Climbing up the monument, you will encounter the coats of arms of all German states, including those of former German territories. This installation was set up after the division of Germany as a monument to German unity. Today, the flags of all 16 German states are flying alongside the big national flag as a reminder of unity. On the other side of the Rhine River lies the fortress of Eren Breitstein, overlooking the German Corner. It is built upon the ruins of a former fortress that was destroyed by French troops in early 19th century and was intended to guard the region. Today, the fortress of Ehrenbreitstein is the largest preserved fortress in Europe and houses various museums alongside with other exhibits. You can reach it either by the cable car across the Rhine, which by the way has the highest passenger capacity of any cable car in Germany, or you can climb up the fortress by foot. A short walk on the promenade along the Rhine River lies the Prussian government building that was planned by Kaiser Wilhelm II himself. And further south lies the Electoral Palace that was built during the 18th century as the residence of the last Archbishop and Elector of Trier. Today, the Electoral Palace houses festive rooms and you can walk around its beautiful terraced gardens. With its cozy atmosphere, the Old Town is a popular place to relax in one of the various street cafes. The Old Town of Koblenz is characterized by the onion domes of the Church of Our Lady, or the Liebfrauenkirche, as it is called by local people. During the centuries, this church was repeatedly rebuilt after it was established during the 5th century by the Franks, originally in Roman buildings. The heart of the Old Town is the Jesuit Square, which was named after a religious order that operated in this area from the 16th to the 18th century. Once, this Renaissance and Baroque-style buildings of the Jesuit order included the Jesuit school, and since the late 19th century, the buildings housed the City Hall of Koblenz. Amongst these magnificent buildings stands the Schlenbrunn, which is a symbol of Koblenz. This fountain is dedicated to the local poet Joseph Cornelius, the author of the lyrics to the city's anthem, and the bronze figure spits a stream of water in an irregular rhythm, making fun of people who come too close.